What if I told you the strangest diamond heist in history was pulled off with a salad? Antwerp, Belgium, the high-security diamond district with billions in stones. 24-hour cameras, armed patrols, vaults underground. In 2003, Leonardo Notarbartolo rents a tiny office, claiming to be a diamond dealer. For over a year, he plays the part perfectly. Coffee with brokers, small trades. While he works, he secretly studies, filming cameras with a pen camera. He clones keys, tests response times, discovers the vault's motion sensor weakness. The vault has heat detectors, magnetic locks, seismic alarms, infrared sensors. He and his crew defeat them one by one with ingenious methods. Metal plate and tape to full magnetic sensors, styrofoam and hairspray, black plastic over cameras, and a salad bag with hidden diamond compartment. They slip in during a quiet weekend and empty 200 safe deposit boxes. Walk out with over 100 million in diamonds, gold, and jewels. No alarms, no guards, just a clean exit. The break comes from arrogance. A garbage bag dumped in the woods. Inside, detectives find burned vault plans, a sandwich, and a crucial receipt. Forensic teams pull DNA from food and trace the receipt back. Notarbartolo is arrested but refuses to name his partners. Most of the diamonds are never recovered. Insurers study this textbook case.